10 lines essay on autumn season. Autumn comes after the rainy season in India. The weather becomes cool and pleasant in autumn. The sky looks clear and the air feels fresh. Trees shed their old and dry leaves. Farmers harvest their crops during this season. Autumn is also called the season of festivals in many places. The days become shorter and nights become longer. Children enjoy playing outside in the cool breeze. Autumn makes nature look beautiful and calm. It is one of the most loved seasons of the year.